If Photopea is not working for you, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest fixes that solve most Photopea loading, freezing, and crashing problems. Whether the site is blank, stuck on loading, or opening but not responding properly, these steps can usually get it working again in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips and fixes. Let's start with the most common cause first. Open Photopea in an incognito or private window. This is important because ad blockers, privacy tools, and browser extensions like uBlock Origin or Brave Shields can stop Photopea from loading correctly. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. That opens a fresh private window with fewer extensions running in the background. Now go to photopea.com and test it there. If Photopea works in incognito, then the problem is probably one of your extensions, not Photopea itself. In that case, go back to your normal browser and either disable the extension temporarily or whitelist Photopea so it can load properly. If Photopea still isn't working, the next thing to try is a hard cache refresh. Sometimes the browser saves broken or outdated files, and that can cause the app to freeze or behave strangely. To force a fresh reload, on Mac press Command, Shift, and R. On Windows, you can press Ctrl and F5 or Ctrl, Shift, and R. This tells your browser to ignore the old cached version and reload everything from scratch. After that, check Photopea again and see if it opens normally. Now, if Photopea opens but starts crashing, freezing, or lagging while you draw or open files, the issue may be WebGL rendering. Photopea uses your browser's graphics rendering features, but on some systems that can cause problems. To fix that, click the More menu at the top, then find Use WebGL and uncheck it. This switches Photopea to a different rendering mode that is often much more stable on buggy browsers or weaker devices. After turning that off, refresh the tab and test the app again. In many cases, this alone solves the crashing issue. If it still isn't fixed, the last step is to clear the site data and local storage for Photopea. Sometimes corrupted cookies or stored browser data can stop the site from loading properly. To do this, click the padlock icon or the small site settings icon next to photopea.com in your browser's address bar. Then open site settings or cookies and site data depending on your browser. From there, choose clear data and reload the page. This removes the broken stored files and gives Photopea a clean start the next time it loads. So to quickly recap, first open Photopea in incognito to check for extension conflicts, then force a hard refresh, then disable WebGL if it's crashing, and finally clear the site data if the browser cache is corrupted. Those 4 steps fix most Photopea problems without needing to reinstall anything or switch software. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.